kailangang magsinungaling eh. Tanggap ko kahit maging ano man ang buhay mo. Anak kita. Pasensya na po kayo, Nay. Nahihiya po kasi ako sa inyo eh. Bakit ka mahihiya? Ina mo ako, hindi masama ang trabaho mo. Walang nakakahiya sa trabaho mo. Nay, sorry po ulit. At saka Happy Mother's Day. Mahal kita, Nay. Thank you.
I'm sorry, Ma. I just wanted to impress you. Well, at least now you know that your son is still a loser.
Hey, I never said you're a loser. Underachiever maybe, but not a loser. And it's not your fault.
You mean it's not my fault na hindi ako nakapag-graduate?
Of course, hindi ka nakagraduate noon because your hands were tied. Too busy taking care of us. When your father left, remember?
You know, Ma, it's so funny. I always thought that it was because hindi ako kasing talino ng mga kapatid ko.
Well, that too, you know.
Oh,
But no,
hurts.
but that's not the point. I don't care kung ikaw ang boss ng kumpanya or the janitor. The point is, you were always there for me. Alam mo, gusto ko nga sana magkasama tayo ng mga kapatid mo this Mother's Day. But unfortunately, ay, busy-busy sila sa kanilang mga trabaho. Son. But you always have time for me.
I'll always be here for you.
Thank
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Ma, mukhang maayos na lahat Okay na.
Pasensya na kayo sa anak ko, Pipito. Ay, Elsa.
Huwag niyo intindihin yun. Wala na ho sa amin yun. Aling girly eh.
Pipito,
Po?
ako din. I'm sorry for my son's behavior. Sinisiguro ko sa inyo, hindi na mauulit yun.
Buti pa kayo nasisiguro niyo. Ako parang hindi sigurado eh. Joke lang.
Bibiro siya.
Sir Bogart! Ba't nakakabay ka sa asawa ko, ha? Umalis ka dyan!
Aray ko. Tapos na. Okay na. Okay na. Boss, maraming papeles kailangan niyo pirmahan. Please lang.
Sige. Salamat.
Excuse me.
Ano ito eh?
Okay.
Thank you, Boss Pipito.
Sige.
Here's your coffee, boss.
Ay, salamat, Pat. Thank you.
Pat. Wait for me.
Pepito! Boss ka na dito? Ang bilis mo namang umasenso.